माननीय सदस्यगण, 0 आवर है। हमारे सीनियर कलीग है मिस्टर वाइको, उनका टर्म खत्म हो रहा है 24 तारीख को। कम से कम उनका बड़ा जो हार्ट का क्लोज विषय उन्होंने आज उठाया है 0 आवर में। बी काइंड टू हिम।
Tamil fishermen, an attack condemned by Sri Lankan Navy, have increased year by year. Constructive agreement should be reconsidered and that should be withdrawn.
Please. माननीय सदस्यगण, प्लीज इट्स 0 आवर क्वेश्चन आवर मेंबर्स आवर 0 आवर क्वेश्चन और मेंबर्स आवर। A small request, can you allow to प्लीज मेरा माननीय प्रमोद जी 1 मिनट आप बात मेरी सुन ले। मैं प्लीज 1 मिनट। माननीय सदस्यगण, 0 आवर है। हमारे सीनियर कलीग है मिस्टर वाइको, उनका टर्म खत्म हो रहा है 24 तारीख को। कम से कम उनका बड़ा जो हार्ट का क्लोज विषय उन्होंने आज उठाया है 0 आवर में। बी काइंड टू हिम, अलाउ हिम टू स्पीक प्लीज। नो, डॉक्टर सैयद नासिर हुसैन, प्लीज। डिमांड फॉर नेशनल ऑडिट ऑफ एजिंग ब्रिजेज एंड रोड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर टू प्रिवेंट रिपीटेड कोलैप्सेज। डॉक्टर सैयद नासिर हुसैन नॉट देयर। I take up only listed business. Sri Vaiko, Dr. John Pritash ji, please. Dr. John Pritash ji, please help your. Yes, please. Help him, please.
I am so thankful to you for giving me this opportunity.
Yes, you speak.
To raise the issue of Tamil Nadu fishermen.
Only that will go on record, sir. Only that will go on record.
Sir, unfortunately, instances of arrest of Tamil fishermen and attack on them by Sri Lankan Navy have increased year by year since the start of 2025. The arrests have totaled 150 fishermen with 20 boats confiscated. The situation has created significant financial hardship for fishing families who often face substantial fines to secure their relatives' release. Recently, 6 Indian fishermen, Tamil fishermen, were apprehended by Sri Lankan Navy on 13th July 25 and their motorized fishing boats seized. Sri Lankan Navy continued its acts of infringement upon the traditional rights of our own fishermen in the Falk Bay, which is a challenge to the Union of India. The frequent arrests and seizure of boats had shattered the livelihood of many fishermen. I would urge upon the Union government to take urgent steps to secure the early release of all the fishermen and their boats unconditionally. There is a pressing need for a comprehensive solution to prevent future arrests and protect the fishing community's rights. The recurring detentions have not only created immediate hardship but also threatened the long-term sustainability of fishing operations in the region. Sir, the government should put diplomatic pressure on the Sri Lankan government for giving compensation and solace to the next of kin of those who were shot dead and boats damaged by the Sri Lankan Navy. In the last 10 years, they should hold a high-level talk to find a permanent solution to this non-stop harassment by the Sri Lankan Navy. The constructive agreement should be reconsidered and that should be withdrawn by the government of India. Thank you, sir.
Please go back to your seats. Please. The House will meet at 12 noon today.